Okay, so we've just got our room. So this is the room tour of a room of 21418 at the Atlantis the Palm. So when you first come in, there's all kinds of snacks and things here. Now these are all chargeable. They are here on the mini bar. The bottles of water are actually free and they bring as many bottles of water as you want, and then espresso machine. And then there's a lovely mirror here. So there should be a fridge here, yeah. So this side is the mini bar fridge. So we're not going to be touching that side because that's where they charge you. This side is the little area where we can put our own things in. Then there's some drawers here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, so there's cups and saucers for your coffees and your espressos. Little teas and sugars. What's in this one? Oh, that's nice. Wine glasses, corkscrew. And then ice bucket and a kettle in there. That's lovely. And then it's really spacious. I mean, look at all the space here. It's huge. And the first thing we come to is the double doors here. So these are nice doors, and this leads us into the bathroom area, which is massive. So you've got a lovely shower here. So you've got your rainfall shower. I love this pattern in here. It's like a honeycomb, like a beehive. It's beautiful. Lovely little shelves there. So it's the Atlantis' own, it says, shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. And then there's a little extra shower head that comes off there as well. So that's like a really spacious shower there. Then you've got your toilet on this side, which is separate. Then here, look at this. The whole vanity, sink, glasses. So you've got lotion and soap here, the same beehive pattern. And you've got drawers here. So you've got cotton, dental kit, mouthwash, enemy board, bath salts, cotton buds. I don't think this is a drawer. No, that's towels and things. Bath mat, scale. Huge bath here, which actually looks out into the room. And you've got your own bathrobes, which you're able to use. Oh, this is good, the little, where you can hang your costumes and stuff to dry out. That's a good place for it. And you've got some Atlantis bath soap and things here. Sorry, I don't know what that noise is. And as you come through here, we've got the wardrobe, I think this is. Yeah. So we've got full wardrobe. So we've got lots of hanging space. So we've got iron. We've got ironing board, luggage rack, slippers, shoehorn, safe. Lots and lots of space and storage up there. Then we come into the main bedroom and look at the size of this. It's huge. So this is what I was saying about the bathroom. So you can see the bathroom from here, but these doors do close across. So at night time, like, you can obviously shut the bathroom away like that. So we've got a welcome home out of roses on our bed, which is lovely. So over here, this bag you get to keep for free. And there's two good sturdy drawers here. Yep. Got notebook and pen, phone. Lovely mirror here again. Got a little towel animal. Til's gonna love that. And we've got big TV here. And here we've got more storage space. Oh, I've got laundry, but if you want to send your laundry or hair dryer in there as well. Oh, I think that's a prayer mat, isn't it? And the cupboards. And then this has been left in our room, so we've actually got a bottle of wine, a fruit bowl, and then they've left us a gorgeous fruit platter here and some dried fruits with some plates and little snacks and things here. Then we've got a sofa, little sofa here, and a little table. And then this is our gorgeous view out with the balcony. Oh, you've also got like a plug sockets here and stuff, so it just opens up. And you've got chargers and things in that drawer. Another big drawer there. So you've got a lovely desk there. I didn't look for plugs at the thing there. Oh yeah, so there is a plug and USB there as well. So like I said, this is a gorgeous room.